Mastering digraphs. Unlocking the sounds of ch, shish, th, wh, ph, etc. Welcome to our English language learning video. In this lesson, we will delve into the fascinating world of digraphs. Digraphs are combinations of two letters that create a unique sound. Today, we will focus on some common digraphs found in English. Ch, shish, th, wh, ph, etc. Understanding these digraphs will greatly enhance your pronunciation skills and boost your confidence when speaking English. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the digraph ch. It produces a sound that is not easily replicated by individual letters. To make the ch sound, place your tongue at the roof of your mouth, and then release it quickly while forcing air through your mouth. You can practice this by saying words like chair, cheese, and challenge. Next, we have the digraph shish. This digraph creates the delightful shish sound. To pronounce shish, position your tongue near the roof of your mouth and release a steady flow of air while keeping your lips slightly rounded. Try saying words like sheep, shower, and shiny to practice this sound. Now, let's tackle the digraph th. It can be a bit tricky, as there are two variations, the voiced and voiceless th sounds. The voiced th sound is similar to a soft d sound, as in this or that. To pronounce it, place your tongue between your teeth and release a gentle breath. Practice saying words like then, they, and brother. On the other hand, the voiceless th sound is produced without any vibration in the vocal cords. It is commonly found in words like think and thought. To pronounce it, place your tongue between your teeth and blow air through your mouth. Try words like thank, bath, and math to practice this sound. Now, let's explore the digraph wh. This one can be a bit perplexing because it is pronounced differently depending on the word. In some cases, it is pronounced as a simple w sound, as in whale or when. Simply purse your lips together and produce a soft w sound. Practice words like where, why, and white to get the hang of it. Lastly, we have the digraph ph. It is used to represent the f sound in words like phone and photo. To pronounce it, simply place your top teeth on your bottom lip and release a steady flow of air. Practice words like phrase, alphabet, and elephant to perfect this sound. Congratulations! You've now learned about some common digraphs in English. Remember to practice these sounds by using words containing the respective digraphs. With time and effort, you'll become more comfortable and proficient in using them. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these digraphs will become second nature to you. Stay tuned for more exciting English language learning videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.